Dear students, today we will start in vector calculus, unit number 4th, chapter number 5th, vector integration. Now making the definition, indefinite integral. For definition, suppose small ft and capital Ft are two vector functions of the scalar t such that derivative of capital F with respect to t is equal to small f. Then capital F is called indefinite integral of f with respect to t, and we write it as integration of f dt is equal to capital F. Now taking a result theorem, if vector function capital F is indefinite integral of small vector function f with respect to t, then f plus c is also indefinite integral of f where c is a constant vector. Making the proof, it is given that integration of f dt is equal to f. Therefore, making derivative on both sides df by dt is equal to small f, marking this as number 1. Now derivative of f plus c is equal to df by dt, where c being a constant vector, therefore dc by dt is equal to 0. Now using first, we can write d by dt of f plus c is equal to small f. Therefore by definition, integration of f dt is equal to f plus c. Making note, if f is integral of f, then we have seen that f plus c is also integral of f, where c is an arbitrary constant vector. Due to this reason, integral is called indefinite integral. Now next definition for definite integral. If df by dt is equal to f for all values of t in the interval a to b, then the definite integral between a and b is denoted as integration of f dt, limit is a to b, and is defined as integration of f dt, limit is a to b is equal to capital F, limit is a to b, and also written as f at b minus f at a. Now taking some standard results for integration, we have already learned the following formula in the previous chapter, that is derivative of dot product of f and g is equal to df by dt dot g plus f dot dg by dt. Second is derivative of vector function square is equal to d by dt of f dot f is also equal to 2 times of f dot df by dt. Third is d by dt of df by dt square is equal to twice of df by dt dot product with d square f by dt square. Now fourth one, derivative of cross product of two vector function is equal to df by dt cross g plus f cross dg by dt. Number fifth, d by dt of a cross f is equal to a cross df by dt, where a is a constant vector. Now by using the definition of integral, we obtain the following standard results for the integration of vector functions. That is, first is integration of df by dt dot g plus f dot dg by dt, dt is equal to f dot g plus c. Marking the is number 2, integration of 2 times f dot df by dt, dt is equal to f square plus c. Third is integration of 2 times of df by dt dot d square f by dt, dt is equal to df by dt square plus c. Number fourth, integration of df by dt cross g plus f cross dg by dt, dt is equal to f cross g plus c vector. Number fifth, integration of a cross df by dt, dt is equal to a cross f plus c, where a is a constant vector. Now making remark, the constant of integration c is scalar if integrand is scalar, and vector if integrand is vector. Thus C is scalar in results first, second and third, whereas C is a vector in results fourth and fifth given above. Now second remark, if f is a vector in component form as f1i plus f2j plus f3k, where f1, f2, f3 are scalar functions of some variable t, say, then integration of f dt is equal to I integration of f1 dt plus j times integration of f2 dt plus k times integration of f3 dt. That is integration operation is distributive over vector quantities in component form. Now taking solved example as number 1, evaluate integration of a dot b cross c dt where limit is 1 to 2 when a is ti minus 3j plus 2tk, b is I minus 2j plus 2k, c is equal to 3i plus tj plus k. Now for solution, find out scalar triple product. By determinant, writing component of a, b, c and find out the determinant, we have value as equal to, that is integration of a dot b cross c, limit is from 1 to 2, value is 5t square minus 15t, putting upper limit and lower limit, value is 0. Now example number 2, evaluate integration of r dot dr by dt, limit is from 3 to 4, where the value of vector r at 3 is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k and value of r vector at 4 is equal to 2i minus 5j plus k. Now for the solution, d by dt of r dot r is equal to twice of r dot dr by dt, and therefore r dot dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2 derivative of r dot r. Now integrating with respect to t, we have integration of r dot dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2 r dot r plus c. Therefore integration of r dot dr by dt limit is 3 to 4 is equal to finding r dot r and putting upper limit and lower limit, value is 8. Taking example number 3, the acceleration of a particle at any time t is given as eti plus e2tj plus k. Find v given that v is equal to I plus j when t equal to 0. Now for the solution, acceleration is dy by dt, which is given as eti plus e2tj plus k. Now integrating, we have v is equal to integration of eti plus e2tj plus k dt plus c, where c is constant of integration. Now v is equal to I integration of et dt plus j integration of e2t dt plus k times 1 integration of 1 dt plus c. Now integrating, we have v is equal to this one, v is equal to eti plus e2t by 2j plus k plus c, marking this as number 1. Now it is given that when t equal to 0, v is equal to I plus j. Therefore from first, I plus j is equal to I plus 1 by 2 j plus c, and this implies the value of c is equal to 1 by 2 j. Putting the value of c in first, we have value of v is equal to, that is v is equal to eti plus 1 by 2 e2t plus 1j plus tk. Now example number 4, the acceleration a of a particle at any time t greater than or equal to 0 is given by a is equal to e minus ti minus 6 into t plus 1j plus 3 times sin tk. If the velocity v and displacement r are 0 at t equal to 0, find v and r at any time t. Now here acceleration is given as du by dt. Integrating, v is equal to integration of e minus ti minus 6 t plus 1j plus 3 sin t k dt plus c, where c is a constant vector. v is equal to I integration of e minus t minus j integration of c t plus k t plus 1 plus k times integration of sin 3 times sin t plus c, and v is equal to, after solving integration, value is v is equal to minus e minus ti minus 6 t square by 2 plus t j minus 3 times sin cos t k plus c, marking this as number 1. When t is equal to 0, v is given to be 0, and putting the value in first, we have c is equal to 1 plus 3k. Putting the value of c in first, we have velocity as equal to this, that is velocity is equal to dr by dt is equal to 1 minus e minus ti minus 3t square plus 6t into j plus 3 minus 3 cos t k. Now integrating again, we have value of r is equal to t minus e raised to power minus t by minus 1 I minus 3 into t3 by 3 plus 6 into t square by 2 j plus 3t minus 3 sin t k plus c1, or r is equal to t plus e minus ti minus t3 plus 3t square j plus 3t minus 3 sin t k plus c1, marking this as number 2. Now when t equal to 0, r equal to 0, it is given. Therefore from second, c1 is equal to minus I. Putting the value of c1 into, we have r is equal to t plus e minus t minus 1 I minus t3 plus 3t square j plus 3t minus 3 times sin t k. Now taking example number 5th. If r is equal to 5t square I plus tj minus t cube k, prove that integration of r cross d square r by dt square integration from 1 to 2 is equal to minus 14i plus 75j minus 15k. Now for the solution, we have r is equal to 5t square I plus tj minus t3k. Therefore dr by dt is equal to 10ti plus j minus 3t square k. Second derivative, d square r by dt square is equal to 10i plus 0j minus 6tk. Therefore r cross d square r by dt square is equal to determinant of I j k 5t square t minus t cube 10 0 minus 60. Solving this determinant, value is minus 6 t square I plus 20 t cube j minus 10 t k. And now integration of r cross d square r by dt square dt, limit is from 1 to 2, is equal to integration of minus 6 t square I plus 20 t cube j minus 10 t k. Integration is from 1 to 2. Therefore this is equal to I integration of minus 6 t square, this is equal to minus 6 t cube by cube plus j times integration of 20 t cube is equal to 20 into t raised to power 4 by 4, and minus 10t integration is minus 10t square by t. After solving, value is minus 14i plus 75j minus 15k. That is the required one. Now example number 6th. Find the value of r satisfying the equation d square r by dt square is equal to ta plus b, where a and b are constant vectors. Now for the solution, we have d square r by dt square is equal to ta plus b. Integrating with respect to t, we have integration of d square r by dt square dt is equal to integration of ta plus b dt plus c, where c is constant of integration, or dr by dt is equal to t square by 2a plus bt plus c. Integrating again, we have Again integrating, we have value for r is equal to 1 by 6 t cube a plus 1 by 2 t square b plus ct plus c1, where c and c1 are constant of integration and also constant vectors. Dear students, try exercise 5.1. If you have any problem, then discuss with me. Thank you.